Removing an iPad Pro 11-inch screen. Using only a heat gun, isopropyl alcohol, and a spudger tool. This guide assumes you have basic experience working with electronics. Proceed with care. Damaging internal components is easy if rushed. Before starting, power off the iPad completely. Remove any case or accessories from the iPad. Place the device screen up on a clean, flat surface. You'll need a heat gun, 70% plus isopropyl alcohol, and a plastic spudger. Set your heat gun to a low to medium heat, around 200 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, or 90 to 120 degrees Celsius if adjustable. Work in a well-ventilated, dust-free space. Start by gently heating the edges of the screen. Move the heat gun continuously around the border, especially the top and sides. Don't hold it still, or you risk burning the screen. Spend about 45 to 60 seconds going around the edges slowly and evenly. The goal is to soften the adhesive that holds the screen in place. Starting the separation. Now take a small amount of isopropyl alcohol and apply it carefully around one corner of the screen, near the edge. The alcohol helps weaken the adhesive. Allow approximately 10 to 15 seconds for the liquid to gradually seep into the edge of the screen. Then insert the plastic spudger into the softened corner. Gently wiggle to create a gap. You should feel some resistance, don't force it. If needed, reheat that area briefly. And add a bit more alcohol. Working around the screen. Once you have a gap, slowly slide the spudger along one side of the iPad. Keep reheating and adding small amounts of alcohol as you go. This is crucial to prevent cracking the screen or tearing cables underneath. Avoid pushing the spudger too deep. No more than a few millimeters as the display cables. They're pretty much right on the device's edge. Work slowly along all four sides. You may need to go around more than once, reheating sections as the adhesive cools and rebonds. Once the adhesive is loose enough all around, gently lift the screen from the side you started with. Open it like a book, hinged from the left or top, depending on your entry point. Inside, you'll see flex cables attached to the screen. Be careful not to pull it off. Don't tug or twist them. If you're planning to remove the screen entirely, you'll need to disconnect the display cables. Normally, this involves unscrewing shielding brackets. Remove the two screws holding the LiDAR sensor cable bracket. Unclip the cable, being careful not to damage it. Then we remove the 3 screws holding the display cable bracket in place. Then gently disconnect the display using the spudger.